Hey guys, this is actually going to be the overview video for days 9 and 10. So pretty much everything that you have to do this week. So I wanted to just kind of lump it into one video here. So for day 9, you're going to be reviewing, since we're near the end of the digestive system, you're going to be reviewing a couple case studies. So in this Google Doc, I have 3 case studies. It explains to you the symptoms of the people, and it actually gives you the diagnosis as well. So I'm tried to make it a little bit easier for you. And so then what you're going to do is you're going to read through, you're going to see what the diagnosis is, and then there's questions that are after each case study. And so you're going to have to do a little bit of research about what that diagnosis is so that you can answer some of those questions, because it's going to be, why did the doctor think that this was the diagnosis, and that kind of thing. So I gave you 2 resources here. These are just 2 resources that I had come across, and they had some good information, and they had a lot of different diseases and disorders. You're not limited to these 2 resources. If you find one that's better, that's great. You can use those, but you can also use the 2 that I have here. And then what you're going to do on day 10, after reviewing those case studies and kind of seeing what's in a case study and how is it written, that kind of thing, you're going to create your own case study. So there are a lot of digestive diseases and disorders out there, and you'll kind of see that from these 2 resources here. So I want you to pick your own and pick one that's not from the 3 that I gave you. It could be one that's on these websites here. It could be one that you know about because maybe you've had experience with it, you know somebody with it, that kind of thing. And so you're actually going to create your own case study and kind of use this as like an outline here. Like, you can write it about you can make up a name, you can use your own name, you can use somebody's name that maybe it was a real story. And then you're going to tell like the symptoms and all that kind of thing, and you're going to go through and explain it in your own case study. So that will be for days 9 and 10, so that will get you through the rest of this week. Have a good one.